Age 1. I am unable to locate the light off. Do you know its last known location?
The whiteboard is showing Alpha 16.
I'm there, it's not here. Who or what shift was the last one to handle?
In the maze of military bases, tracking equipment can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Lost? Delayed? Unreliable? Not anymore. Introducing Tesseract RT, revolutionizing asset management with PRISM hardware and Mosaic software, ensuring real-time visibility across all bases. Tesseract Ventures empowers our military with efficiency and readiness. Because knowing where every piece stands means being mission-ready, anytime, anywhere. Transform your base's readiness with Tesseract RT.